First time I sit down all morning, me take the picnic them to dancing, gymnastics, shopping for 40 minutes. Me done, me finish. Now me get in the house, me go relax with nobody bother me. Nobody. Me go have 10 minutes to myself. Just 10 minutes to myself.
Body superstitious, bodies on the wall. Hey, yo, man, where you at?
Just ignore him. Just pretend him not did it. Mom. Mumsy. Mom. Woman. What? My lord, yeah, disrupt me peace. Me peace and me sanity. Just asking him. What you want?
Well, what you doing?
What does it look like I'm doing? Watching the TV even though it's off. I'm relaxing, of course. Well, until you come in out of the room.
You just scared me.
So you just leave me be. Left me. No what? 10 minutes to myself. Alright? No cooking, no talking, no nothing. Alright?
Yeah, alright.
But before you go, make sure you clean up that mess.
Clean it up.
Clean it up.
No need to be so aggressive.
Always an army. Every single time I have a second to myself, Barn appear.
Question. Always scaring me, making me do something, and then like taking it out on me. Like it's my fault. It's my fault. It's your fault. You're a scary woman.
Me? What you said?
Huh? Nothing. Just talking to myself. Unfortunately, I can't even whisper to myself now about.
Barn, you say something?
No, nothing. I'm just trying to clean this up to make it great for you. Sparkling clean. It's just like what I'm talking about. I can't even talk quietly to myself. Now I have to whisper like I'm a baby.
Yes. Me know you said something. Me catch you, I said something.
No,
I said something about dear. Y'all call me a deer.
No, I said I've got some real fears here about not cleaning this perfectly for you.
True still, because you have to clean up that mess and make it spick and span. Barn, hurry up, the man.
I'm hurrying.
Hurry.
Just clean your foot on the
Sorry. Come off on me toes, them. Hold the drink out. I'll fall upon the floor, fly all the way over here, and fall upon my foot, and get my foot them wet, upon the carpet, without there being a mark, and without me, I clap your head.
Finish anyway.
Yeah, for fool. Move on, go. 8 minutes of peace.
Hey mom, now that that's clear, now that it's clear, I just want to know if I could sit next to you.
If you must.
Yeah? Okay, cool.
do?
Oh, just making a chatterbox, mum.
Chatter what?
Chatterbox, yeah.
ChatterBox?
Chatterbox.
ChatterBox, yes, alright.
No, another pen. Oh, I want you some. So this is how the game works. It's a game of chance. You pick a number,
Kind of game that.
and then whatever it lands on, we open it and do what it says.
Ever it say?
Might be something fun.
Alright.
Might be like a dare.
Beers? Whoa, I like a good beer.
And I was thinking that we should play it, mum.
You want me to play?
Yeah.
Alright, me up for it.
Oh, you're up for it?
Yeah, man. But wait. We need to get into the game mode.
Yes, mum.
Let's go over this one.
It's over there.
Let's go, man.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go over this one.
Okay, mum, here's how it goes, okay? This is Chatterbox. You pick a number.
Alright.
We do it. We open it.
Okay.
Then we read it, okay?
Alright.
So let's do it.
Alright, me ready. Me ready to play ChatterBox.
Pick a number.
5,
5. Okay, number 5. Okay.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
5.
4, mum. 4 comes after 3.
Yes, 4. Me forget, sorry.
4, 5. Right, pick a number.
Alright.
One of these.
8.
8. Okay.
Okay. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
8. Oh,
7, mum.
7. Yes.
7 comes after 6.
7 comes after 6.
Sorry.
Silly me. Silly me.
Let's start again.
Start again, yes.
1, 2, 3, 4,
Nothing
5,
in an account with you.
7,
Me for fool.
8. Pick another number, mum. Pick another number.
Me want pick 2.
2. Okay. It says you do what I say.
Look, mum. Do whatever you say.
Yeah.
And I've got a lot you can do.
I tell you what, mum. Why don't we double it? Double or nothing.
Yeah.
If you get something else, I'll do what you say. But you get it again, then you have to double do what I say.
Yeah, man.
No questions asked.
Me up for it.
Okay, cool.
Come in then, no. Come in, yeah, man.
You know how it goes, mum. Pick a number.
Yes. Me I go pick 3.
3.
Okay.
1,
3,
2,
2,
3.
1.
Not 3, 2, 1.
That's how me do it. Me count down and
1, 2, 3.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. Pick a number.
Lucky number 1.
Lucky number 1.
Open it then, no.
Okay. No way. You do what I say. How have you got that again?
Do whatever you say again.
Crazy. So I guess
How that happen?
I guess you should do what I say.
Alright.
We'll start with
Tell me then, no.
get me some food.
Oh, hell no!
I'm hungry. Sort it out. My belly's grumbling.
Devauna.
Food.
Howie, you hungry. Not hungry or hungry. Hungry. Now go get the food. Oh. Bye.
Wait, pause! Now I'm not sure why you don't know this, but I'm interrupting your program to bring you this important message. Stop gymming like a madman. Please stop thinking you're Gordon Ramsay cooking up a storm. Please stop brushing your nose. Who does that? A wise man once said all we do is win no matter what, but all you're doing is losing. So stop gaining. Oh my goodness, stop dancing on your head. Please stop showering, especially with your clothes on, and stop playing rock paper scissors with yourself. Yeah, so just stop whatever you're doing. Now let's hope it doesn't bite me in the
Excuse me! You're biting my butt!
Anyway, so please make sure you like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell. Okay.
Let's get back to the video.
Devauna, they bring me some crisp. Crisp?
I didn't say I want crisp.
Oh, you don't want crisp.
Go and get me something nice because I want to watch a movie and eat something good. So go get me something like popcorn.
You want popcorn now?
Yeah, popcorn. Alright, sorry. I will get that for you once again. Obviously I'm watching a movie. What am I gonna want crisp? Popcorn.
Popcorn, Barna. Popcorn.
Yeah, popcorn. Here, Mum, feed me.
Wait, sorry.
Be careful, man. Getting popcorn all over the place. Sorry.
Let's eat. Eat nice, eat well, eat good.
That's good, man. That's good. Now go and get me donut. I want a donut. Go get me a donut.
Donut.
Go get me a donut. Of course I want a donut, you donut.
Donut. Donut, Barna, donut.
Oh, hello, Mum.
I have your special donut.
Right here.
Alright.
That's a good donut, Mum. Now, go get me a biscuit.
Oh.
Hurry up, man. Go get me a biscuit.
Okay. I will get the biscuit.
Good donut, man. It's my favorite.
Because you took the biscuit.
Be mumbling under your breath. What do you take this thing for? Me? I could never mumble. I say that with chest. I say that with chest. So you can hear.
Biscuit. Special delivery.
Hello again.
You want this one?
Yo,
This one?
Mum! Stop touching up all the biscuits, man. Just give me one.
Just one of them.
That's enough. That's enough, man.
Sorry.
Don't you know how to feed someone?
Sorry.
You can't be touching it into them like that, man. Now my throat's dry. Go get me some water, man.
You thirsty? You will get that for you, son.
I'm never playing ChatterBox with you, you know. Sure. You can't be told what to do.
Water.
Come on, good water.
I have your water, Barna.
You back with the water, yeah?
Here's your water. And trust me, you are gonna love it.
Alright, come in, let me get some.
Ow!
Sorry, man. Come on, man. You gotta feed me properly, man. Feed me a water. It was just an accident. Chipping up my tooth, man. No, man, it's not good. I'm so sorry, man. You gotta do something. Do it right. I can't, man. Chill, man. Oh, man. I'm out here in pain now. If you can do it with your heart. Do it with your heart. You get me? They're pushing up the thing down my throat, man. Chill.
You know what, Barna?
What? What you gonna do now?
Yes, man. I'm dead. And if you're thirsty enough, why not lick it up?
There's no need for me to lick it up. I've got it all here.
You look a dog, you. May I go have me 5 minutes of peace?
I'm never playing ChatterBox again.